Hi, this is Jill Maxwell from Maxwell Physical Therapy, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you, especially if you're interested in relieving your low back pain naturally without the use of medications, injections, or surgery. I want to go over something that we started to go over in our last video, and that is your pain reproducible? A lot of people are having problems with things such as standing in line at the grocery store, or even just standing at the sink to do dishes. Other things they're having problems with is getting in and out of the car, sitting and watching a movie, walking for any length of time, getting comfortable sleeping at night, vacuuming. Many people have stopped vacuuming and they make their spouse do it. Driving to work, shoveling the snow, or lifting. So I want to show you the number one biggest mistake that people make regarding low back pain and sciatica, and that is that they ignore it. During my workshop, we will do some individual techniques that you can try in order to help relieve your low back pain. And often during the workshops, people feel like they've made a little bit of improvement or a little bit of difference with a few simple techniques. When that happens, it's a good potential that they're going to be getting even much better if they sign up for a full plan of care or do a full treatment. I just recently spoke to one of our more recent workshop attendees, and she's had about 3 or 4 physical therapy visits thus far. What she told me is that she has been to 5 physical therapy clinics with minimal improvement, and at Maxwell she says this is different. I'm getting a lot more individual and hands-on treatment, and when I leave, she says, I'm not having any pain. So with any problem in life, there are 3 basic ways that we can handle it. The number one most common thing that people do is they ignore it. They make excuses such as the doctor says there's nothing that can be done, it's just arthritis, just have to deal with it. And so if we take a look at life and map out all of the activities that we do, often people previously were doing more intense activities such as golfing or walking or working out, playing tennis, carrying their grandchild, and what happens is they start to limit themselves and do less intense activities such as sitting, driving, or getting dressed, and eventually they can't even do that without pain, and so all they're doing is sleeping. Eventually, when they get to the point where their activities are very limited, that's when they usually decide that, okay, I'm going to go to the doctor and see what I can do. And often the doctor will order physical therapy. So at the workshop, we're going to go over how you can handle the pain and help you to understand why you're having pain and how you can get rid of it and get your life back to normal. So I'm really looking forward to helping you to get rid of some of the pain. See you at the workshop.